Some girl, that girl was really tough, maybe that yellow girl. Alrighty. I'm up there looking at Se me cuidan.
Pero el estilo motor tuyo no lleva eso.
I should have said, can you read?
Yeah, so you take more time out there. Short time? No, he's short. Check custom vehicle. Oh, you know what? Super long. Put it on. Brady, you got free. Oh, this one. That's the air conditioning.
Oh, I got your shirt.
Oh, thanks.
I got a shirt. I got it in gray. I didn't like it.
Okay. All right, let me get a picture of the front of the building.
All right, I'll do that.
All right.